Thank you. Good morning everyone here. After forming Federation of Youth Clubs under the National Youth Services Council on the 12th August 2025, now we are here to announce that as a first segment under the formed youth clubs in this country, now we are going to host that 35th National Youth Fest 2025. This is the 35th time that we are going to host that under this regime and under the new Board of National Youth Services Council. What is so special about we hosting this as the first segment under our tenure or after forming the Federation of Youth Clubs in this country? We know that internationally there is a significance for sports, and that is why that's been included into the life of youth and the curriculum of schools and whatsoever is that being there. But unfortunately in the recent past we can see that there's been a race that's been put into the lives of youth that you have to excel academically, and with that now people have neglected or the culture is declined that you have to focus on sports. We all know that sports has been a part of our lives. It can be a custom or tradition, and more than all, that also fosters some kind of attributes into human life. Win or loss, we learn to put them all into our life through the sports, and that is why we call that sportsmanship is the biggest attribute that we all should have in our lives. So considering this, that now we see that why we need this culture should be brought back into the lives of children or the youth in this country. So under the Youth Services Council's youth clubs, that the youth of this country from years of 15 to 29 will get this opportunity to be a part of this National Youth Fest of 2025. So with the utmost best welfare of the youth of this country, now we look forward to host this in division, district and national levels, and these will be conducted in the months from August. So in the divisional level, August to September, and in the district level, September to October, and whereas in the national level, from the September to November, these all the sports will be conducted. We know that when we talk about sports, it's not only about the outdoor games, because gone are the days that we talk of sports is all about physical strength. Now see worldwide how games like chess are taking attraction of the people and the youth coming forward. So those are the mental strength that we have to acquire. So as a youth in this country, we look forward to foster mental and physical strength into their lives. So considering that this time there's these indoor and outdoor listed games into this Youth Fest of 2025. In addition to that, we can highlight that compared to the past Youth Fest that we conducted under other regimes or the other tenures, that this time we have introduced 3 games. Those are badminton, chess and swimming. You know that how these games are being taken national and international significance. So considering that, I think this will give a forum for our youth even from rural areas to get an introduction to these sports, and they can form a culture of being a part of that. And also if you see the allocation of money that we have put into these all levels of Youth Fest of 2025, this is more than what we invested in the previous time. So we have made sure that adequate amount of money is being put into conducting this Youth Fest of 2025 in ensuring that the youth coming from all the areas of this country, irrespective of their nationality and their gender and whatsoever the dynamics that is there, that they will get their transport, meal, accommodation and all the other expenditures being included into this, and they will be well taken care of by the National Youth Services Council, this expenditure system. So with that note, we welcome all the youth in this country, that there is this new culture under the National Youth Services Council and the youth clubs. We have been open that to you. You all can have have healthy environment in this country. Now it's not only for certain group of people, those who can afford the lifestyle and money, you can have an introduction to sports. Now we are opening that to all the youth in this country, whatsoever is your background, what is the barrier that you have in your life. We will make sure that you also have a path for that, or you can come forward, and we are giving that opportunity to you, looking forward to build a better life for you all in future. So this is our first segment, and we look forward that this will be successful with your blessings and your extended participation. With that note, I will conclude this. வணக்கம். இன்று இலங்கையிலே தேசிய இளைஞர்கள் சபைகள் மன்றத்தின் கீழ் நாம் இளைஞர்களுக்கான